How you can get registered on Celeste. No gatekeeping, no nothing like that. So this is the website link right here. So all you have to do is to click to copy it and go to your browser. You paste it, you type in celeste.com.ng right here and you click on search and it will take you to the website right here. So on this website right now, for you to get registered, you click on where it says get started here. Make sure you confirm the website is the correct website of Celeste. Once you do that, you click on get started here and you'll be taken to this place where you put in your username, your details. I've already registered, so I don't have to go through this, but you can do this, you understand, since you're not yet registered. Then over here you select the package you're going for, whether you're going for the Hero Light package or you're going for the Hero Max package. So after doing that, I'll pause the video right now and show you guys what the next step is. That's when you're done doing that, you click on continue and start earning. Alright, so after doing that, you appear on this page where your account is already registered. Now since your account is registered, you have to activate your account. To activate your account, as you can see right here, all you have to do is to click here to activate your account. You click on it, you see proceed to make payment. Click over here. Now over here you have to make payment of 8,500 for the light package or 14,500 for the max package on Celeste. Now you click on whichever one you want. So I'll be going for the Hero Max package because it's the best package. Click on it and then you have the choice to choose whether to make payment automatically through an automatic payment gateway or you make payment manually. So if you're making payment manually, you make payment to a designated account details, and once you make payment to that, you'll be sent to someone, or you'll be sent to the DM of a verified vendor on the platform and your account will get verified. Or you go with the automatic system whereby you make payment and it is verified instantly. So whichever one is okay. So immediately you're done with that, your account will be okay and you start earning from there.